back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am going to be doing a get ready with me for a date night. My husband and I have not had a date night since back in February when we celebrated our anniversary. So we are long overdue for a date night, and tonight we are going to see the new Aladdin movie. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've been waiting months for this movie to come out, and Aladdin is definitely in my top favorite 5 Disney movies. So I'm just super excited to be going on this date tonight. And if you guys want to see how I get ready for this date, like doing my makeup, my hair, what outfit I'm going to be wearing, and just talking about Aladdin, then continue watching. Alrighty, so let's see. First, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with some Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to apply this first, and this just helps my eyeshadow to stay on throughout the day without creasing. I'm going to be applying some foundation, and my go-to foundation for the last couple of years honestly has been the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily formula, and this works pretty well with my skin. So if you guys have seen the new Aladdin movie, what are your thoughts on it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Mixed feelings on it? Did you like it better than the original? I am so excited to see this movie. I did notice it looked a little bit different from the animation, but I'm all for seeing Disney remakes, especially live action. I love Cinderella, I love Beauty and the Beast. So I'm curious to see how Aladdin is going to turn out. And now I'm going to be applying some concealer. This is CoverGirl Outlast All Day Light Medium Concealer. And I'm just going to put some of this under my eyes right here. And then down the sides of my nose. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Setting Powder and applying this all over the face. And now to fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to brush through them with a little spoolie first. About this eyebrow pencil is that on the opposite side it has like a little sponge where you can brush through your brows and it gives it a more natural look. Now I'm taking my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara, and this is just going to set my eyebrows in place. Voila! And time for the fun stuff, to apply some eyeshadow. I am using my Maybelline Color Tattoo by Eye Studio 24-hour eyeshadow, and this is in Bad to the Bronze, which looks like this. Whoops, where am I going? Okay, so it looks like this. It's a beautiful bronze gold color, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. This is a cream eyeshadow, so I'm laying this down first as the base because I am going to be using a loose glitter that is a silvery gold color. And the one I'm using is by Too Faced in this shade Nude Beam. Looks like this. It's so pretty, and it is a loose glitter, so make sure you tap it out when you use a product like this, otherwise glitter's just gonna fall all over your face.
Hey, Mommy.
Yes, handsome?
I Toy Story to you.
What are you doing, handsome?
Toy Story.
You brought in your Toy Story movies? This one is so excited to see Toy Story 4 with the new Forky character. Right, little man? You want to watch Toy Story? And taking a little brush like this, I'm going to be sweeping away any excess glitter that has fallen. Now, I'm going to be applying some purple eyeliner on my bottom lash line. This one's by Sephora in the color Wild Spirit. I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay, I think this is called like a shadow box or something like that. Can't remember what this one's called, but it looks like this. This purple color right here called Flash. I'm going to be applying this underneath my lash line right here just to give it a more vibrant purple shimmer color. I'm going to be spraying my eyeshadow brush with this setting spray. Sleek Onyx, and this is by Maybelline. It's a gel eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to be lining my tight line, and the reason I do this is it just gives my eyes a more fuller look. Now I'm going to be curling my lashes. So do you guys have a favorite Disney movie? If so, comment down below and let me know what it is. My favorite Disney childhood movie growing up was Beauty and the Beast. I absolutely love that movie. I watched it every day. I owned it on VHS and I actually watched it so many times in one day that the tape got all wrapped up within the VCR from rewinding it so many times. And I was so sad. I think I was like 4 or 5 years old. But that is my absolute favorite Disney movie. And I was very pleased with the live action version. Taking my mascara, I'm going to be applying some to my lashes, and this is my favorite mascara at the moment. I know I've been saying this the past few makeup tutorials, but it's by Lancome and it's called Monsieur Big. And it definitely does make my eyelashes look so long and full. And going back in with this palette, I'm taking the color Sin, and I'm going to be applying this to my brow bone up here, just to give it a little pop of highlighter up there. And I'm also going to be taking this gold color called Baked Cowboy and applying it to the inner corners of my eyelids. And moving along to the cheeks, I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Tutti Frutti blush and highlighter duo, and this is in the shade Cherry Bomb. Last but not least, lipstick. I'm using my Maybelline Party Pink lipstick. I'm also going to add some gloss to it. This is Essence Shine Shine Shine, a Wet Look Lip Gloss. I forgot the shade that it actually is. I think it's something that has to do with drama, but I can link it down below for you guys as well if you're interested. And to lock this look in, I'm adding my NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Alrighty, so I actually washed my hair last night and I just slept with braids overnight in my hair and then rinsed off today. So I'm going to let my hair out of the braids and apply some dry shampoo. This is a coconut and exotic tropical scent in Batiste Instant Hair Refresh. So as you can see, I do have a little bit of waves from where my hair was braided, but I want to add a couple of more, so I did plug in my little Conair Raw Energy. Oh wow, I plugged it in and I didn't even turn it on. Anyways, gotta wait a couple minutes, but this is what it looks like. It's a clampless heating curling wand. And I'm gonna do the same steps over here on this side of my hair, so I will be back when I am ready to put my outfit on. Hey guys, it's your favorite Disney couple, and with my husband here, we have our Aladdin shirts on, and we are getting ready to go see the movie, so we're so excited! Yay! I ordered a popcorn and we're just waiting on our pretzel, and then it's movie time. Alrighty guys, so I am home from the movies, and oh my goodness, I love the movie so much. It was so good, and it was a lot better than I expected it to be. Honestly, just watching the movie trailer, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna absolutely love this movie, or if it's just gonna be kind of like not as good as the other live action movies that I have seen. But I have to say, this is probably my favorite live action Disney movie that I've seen. There were so many laugh out loud moments that I was not expecting there to be. And the storyline followed the animated version pretty well, but they also added some backstory to parts of the movie too, which I've noticed they've done that with Cinderella, they've done it with Beauty and the Beast. So I really like that they add these little tidbits where you're thinking, seeing the animated version, you're like, I wonder how that came to be, and then they give a little bit more insight to those parts of the stories in these live action films, which I love. But yeah, I absolutely loved Aladdin, but I definitely recommend it to those who love Disney movies, and yeah, I just can't say enough great things about it. And oh my goodness too, the costumes in this film were just exquisite. They were absolutely beautiful and colorful. And probably my favorite scene from the entire movie had to be the Prince Ali grand entrance when he's going to meet the princess and the sultan as Prince Ali. Oh my goodness, that scene was just magical and so colorful. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I hope you all enjoyed watching me get ready for my date night. And if you want to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. I hope you all have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Bye!